We are here in Golestan Palace and I want to show you everywhere. Let's see what's gonna happen. The first place is Marble Throne. Let's go inside. So we watched Marble Throne and we have to see another place. Let's enjoy. Wow. So this is the main part. Oh, look at my face with this sun. This is the main part, and we have to see, and we have to go there and see inside. Let's go. He was the Qajarian prince. Qajarian prince. They are all Qajarian prince. This was for Qajar era. Look. Oh, people, he is Fatali Shah, the second king of Qajar. He is. Woohoo! And he is Muhammad Shah, the third king of Qajar. She was one of our princess. Look, she's gorgeous, yeah? Ooh, he is Nasiruddin Shah. Wow. Amir Kabir. And look at this piano. Who loves piano? He is Muzaffaruddin Shah, the fifth king of Qajar, for Qajar era. Oh. This stuff all for Qajar era. Look. Look. So cute. Love that. Wooden walking stick. Look. Ooh. Clock. Look, people. Oh, that's so sweet. Sword for 19th century. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. That was medal, silver medal. Look, I love this sword. This. I love this. And this, and this. Which one do you like? This one is good. I love green. Look. And sword again. They are coin? No. They are silver medallion. Wow. They are so big. Look. Ooh. Look. They are silver sword. Look. I love the red part. Look. This. They all belongs to Muzaffareddin Shah, one of our Qajar king. Wow. Look, this is the crown of Aqa Muhammad Khan Qajar, the first king of Qajar. Wow. What a beautiful crown. I love to try it, huh? Do you like to try it? Yeah. Look, a metal and glass candlestick for Europe. Music box. Do you believe that it is music box? That's so beautiful. Wow. Wow, I love this music box. Look this bowl. They are gorgeous. Oh, what is that? Scissors. Oh, look these scissors. Oh, so sweet. I love that. Look at this. Oh, what is that? It's for typing. Wow. Look these scissors. Oh, that's so beautiful. Please just watch. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Wow. Again, scissors. I love that scissors. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Letter opener. Oh, this is scissors and letter openers. Oh, that's so sweet. And I want to know brass desk sets. No, this is not that one, but it's so good. I think it's for typing, I think, but it's so beautiful.